So solve the following inequality for B. Write your answer in the simplest form. Whenever there is an inequality, just like an equation, we try to solve by, isolating the variable. Like the variables should be on one side, numbers should be on one side. What do you think can be done to either make the variables on one side or numbers on one side? What is the first thing you would like to eliminate?
On the left side, the
Okay.
variable. I mean,
Okay. All right. So what do we do?
we'll do -9.
Very good. So whatever we are doing to one side, we'll be doing to the other side. And after this, we'll be getting, this gets cancelled, we getting B less than 5B minus 5 and minus 9. How much does it make?
-4.
4. Sure. Check once more. Minus 5 and minus 9.
Oh, +4.
How is it a 4?
It's both
Minus 5 and minus 9. How much is that?
oh, uh, 14. We add them.
Okay. How much did you say?
14, because you would add them, right?
Yeah, 14. Is it a plus 14? Is it a minus 14?
Plus 14. No,
Why is it?
minus.
Okay, why is it a minus 14?
Because both are minus.
Very good. That's right. Okay, we have separated and solved the numbers. Now, what is the next thing? Variables are on both sides. So, what do we do now?
Variables.
Hmm. We
We
all,
can we
yeah.
can isolate the variable on the right side, so we can
Okay.
isolate.
Yes. What do we do? We want to make it alone, or we want to make it first on just one side. How do we do that? What can be done?
We can we can we can divide by 5.
See, if we divide by 5, so how is it solving the B's problem? That is the variable problem. That is the number.
Oh, then we would have to take out -14 to add 14.
Okay. So even if we are taking the negative 14, it is not solving the problem that the variables are actually on both sides. We want to take the variables on just a single side. So see, there is already a number that is existing on the right side. Is it
Yes.
possible that we can remove 5b from the right side somehow? Can we do
Can
something so that 5b is removed from the right side?
we move it to the other side?
Yeah, how do we do that?
Um,
How did we remove the plus 9?
by subtracting
Yes. So how can we remove the plus 5b?
+5.
Yeah, this is a plus 5b, right? Positive 5b this is. How can we
Oh,
remove
yes.
it?
We can subtract by 5.
But it is only a number and this is a variable thing.
Oh, subtract by 5b.
Yes. Whatever we are doing to one side, we have to do to the other side. So when we are doing it, now we are getting b minus 5b. How much is a b minus the 5b's?
It will just be -5b.
b minus 5b.
Uh,
How many b's are here?
but
1. So there is a 1b and there are 5b. They are both getting subtracted. How many b's will be left?
4b is
4 b's. And will it be a plus 4b? Will it be a minus 4b?
+4b.
Why is it a plus 4b?
Oh, yeah, sorry, it's negative.
Why is it a negative?
Because it's -5b.
Yeah, negative 5b is actually greater. So we got a negative 4b, and here is an less than symbol. Then we are writing 5b minus 5b. How much will that be?
Wait, 5b minus 5b?
Yeah.
Uh, ne negative b, or just b?
Okay. So what was plus 9 minus 9?
Wait, so it'd be b?
No, no. What was a plus 9 and minus 9? See, what we mean by b is, let's say, balls. There are 5 balls that we bought and 5 balls that have been lost. How many balls are we left with?
0?
0 balls. 0 balls is matlab zero number, right?
Yeah, so it's 0b.
So it's a zero. We can say b also, even if you're not writing the b, that's fine, because zero is zero multiplied by anything is zero. So is it okay to write it as zero?
Yes.
Great. So 0 minus 14 we got. After simplifying it a bit, minus 4b is less than 0 minus 14 is how much?
0 minus 14 is 14.
Is it a plus 14? Is it a minus 14?
15.
Hmm? I'm sorry.
Minus.
Very good. Minus 14. Why is it a minus 14?
Because it's 0 minus 14. Like it's minus 14.
Yeah, minus, but the 14 number is bigger and it is a negative number. Very good.
Yeah.
Now we want to isolate b again. There is a minus 4b with it. How can we isolate the b from here?
B. You can add 4.
Hmm. But that 4, what does it matter? Because if you're adding 4, that is a number. It's
Add
not
4b.
eliminating. If we are adding 4b to both the sides this way, what can we add it here? Is there something to add here with the b?
Minus 14b.
Minus 14 is a number. Do you think if we are saying that there is some 4 cats plus 5 dogs, they can be added and we can see these are either 9 cats or 9 dogs? Can it be done?
No.
This is a wrong, right? Wrong thing. So this thing actually does not have a variable. So we cannot add these kind of things. What
Oh,
is happening between minus 4 and b? Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What is happening between minus 4 and b?
multiplying.
Multiplying. What is the opposite of multiplying?
Dividing.
Dividing. So minus 4b, what should we divide it with so that it becomes only b?
It will turn would be. We can divide it by minus 4.
Minus 4. Whatever we are doing to one side, we will be doing to another side. Now, see, this is actually not a equal to symbol, this is an inequality. So what happens to inequality if we multiply or divide with a negative number?
It would be flipped.
Yeah, it is flipped. Okay. What are we left with on with the numbers on the left side? What are we left here in the left side?
Left side b.
B. On the right side?
Um, would it be a decimal?
It's okay, you can just tell me in the fraction, simplest form of fraction.
Um, was that just simplify 14 and 4?
Yeah, we can simplify it.
Okay. 7 over 2.
7 over 2. Negatives gets cancelled. So the value of b is greater than 7 over 2. If we have to tell in decimals, how much is 7 over 2?
B. So, 3.5.
Very good. So that is our answer. That's what we wanted to find out. Any question here in any part? Here is the whole question. Any part, any question?
Let me just review it one more.
Hmm. Should we do it once more?
Yes.
Okay, should I erase everything to review it again?
Let me just look through it once, and then when I'm done looking through it, I'll tell you.
Sure, okay. So we got solving the inequality for C, write your answer in the simplest form. First thing is we want to have the variable terms on one side and the things which are not variable, constant, on the other side. What is the first thing we can do?
The first thing we can do
Hmm?
is isolate the variable C on the left side.
Yeah, that has to be done when everything else is on each other's place. That is, the variables are separate and the numbers are separate. Only then we can do that.
Okay, I want to add 10C.
Very good. Adding 10C. We are adding 10C here. See, wherever is the C term, we can add it over there. If you don't know where to
Oh,
add it, if you don't know where to add it, just keep it as it is. Then we are getting this gets cancelled. This is a 0. Minus C less than minus 7C plus 10. Let's say we don't know where to put the 10C. We just write it plus 10C. Any question up till this point?
well, instead of just adding plus 10C, can we just add it to minus 7C?
Yes, we can do that. Over here, we can combine the like terms, and here also we could do that. Just in case you don't know how to do it, we can just write them together till we realize.
Would you just do 3C?
Yes, on the right side there will be 3C. What else is there?
Um, I need to go get an eraser. May I go get the eraser?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Okay, what is the first thing that we got 3C? What else do we get on the left and on the right side? First, on the right side, what do we get?
On the right side, it would be 3C plus 10.
3C plus 10. Very good. On the left side,
On the left side, 0 minus 6.
what is that?
What
What is that? 0 minus 6 is equal to how much?
is less than 3C plus 10?
Okay. Now, what can we do? We got the C variable on one side, but the numbers are still here and there. What do we do?
We would, since we want all the variable on one side and the numbers on the other, we can do minus 10 to get the 10 on the other side.
Very good, a minus 10. What do we get when we do a minus 10?
We would get 3C. We would get 3C on the right side, and we would get negative 4 on the other side.
Why is it a negative 4 on the left side?
Um, because it's 6. Oh, wait, it's already a negative, right?
Yeah, it's already a negative. So, what do we get?
Oh, then it would be 4, -4, 16.
Yeah, negative 16. Less than 3C. Now, what do we do next?
Um, we would take out the 3 on the C, 3C.
Yes. How do we take it out?
We would divide
Yeah, very good. What do we divide it with?
3.
Well, we are dividing with 3 on both the sides. Okay. So what do we get?
If we divide on each side by 3, on the right side it would be C, and on the left side it would be It would be a decimal, so can I just keep it in a fraction?
Yeah, we can keep it in a fraction.
5.33.
5.33 is also fine, and we can keep it in a fraction also. Okay, if we got this and we want to write the answer in such a way that the variable is first, how do we put this symbol as? What happened to the symbol? Is it remaining the same or is it changing?
It would, no, it would stay the same.
Okay, that means this way.
Yeah.
Here, this symbol was open from C side. And when we are representing here, this symbol is closed from the C side. Isn't it denoting different things?
Oh, yeah, so we weren't supposed to switch it?
Yeah, we switch it whenever we are switching the places.
Oh,
Hmm. Okay. So over here we got C greater than negative 16 over 3, which is the answer for this whole question. Any question in any part of part here?
um, not anything in specific. Yeah, no, there's no questions.
Okay. So you can make a note of this